Yeah, one of the key points here about re-roughing is you really need to do the simulation for the previous operation. So what the re-roughing method does is it looks at the in-process or the current state of the stock model and then uses that as a starting point to create the cutter toolpaths. So
I'm just changing the thickness, line thickness of the toolpath so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, so there's our re-roughing. Let's go ahead and simulate that. Okay, so we got re-roughing.
yes, you can see you can only cut the areas that the previous operation left behind. So
and you
it's very important.
You can keep doing this with successively smaller tools if you wish. In other words, you can simulate the re-roughing and then do another re-roughing with a smaller tool, and you can keep doing that, to your liking till you get it down to where you like it. But we're going to do some pre-finishing also, so that helps to remove some material. Okay, so let's just remove the toolpath. Let's see what that looks like.